Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Insight Hub, Explorers. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Land Rover Defender. With its perfect blend of rugged capability, cutting-edge technology, and refined luxury, the Defender is redefining what it means to go anywhere in style. Let's break down why the 2025 Defender is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of adventure and sophistication. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Defender stays true to its heritage with its boxy silhouette, short overhangs, and signature Alpine windows. But look closer, and you'll spot modern updates, sleek LED headlights, new wheel designs, and fresh color options like Sedona Red and Glacier White. This is rugged elegance at its finest. Step inside, and it's a whole new world. The Defender's cabin combines premium materials like Windsor leather and natural wood veneers with durable rubberized flooring, perfect for muddy boots or city strolls. The centerpiece. A massive 13.1-inch Pivi Pro infotainment screen, now faster and more intuitive than ever. Plus, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a crystal-clear Meridian sound system, you're always connected and entertained. Under the hood, the 2025 Defender offers powertrains for every adventurer, a turbocharged inline-6. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next video.